Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Zulu boy sues Umkhokha. Zulu boy sues Umkhokha for taking him for granted. Season actor Mxolisi Majosi decided to sue Mzansi Magic most watched soap Umkhokha after taking him for a ride. He was promised for Umlungisi role, which took him 5 days to prepare until they gave it to Unkanyiso Mchuni, leaving him stranded. People had mixed feelings or mixed opinions based on this matter. Some other people think like he should just let it go. This is a sign that this job was not meant for him. Others were like it wasn't going to work well. Imagine Umkhululi with golds and silvers. Others also feel like no, Umkhokha was not fair. They were supposed to inform him that no, we chose Nkangiso Mchuni instead for this role of Mkhululi. And the other people felt like, you are too comedian. They were looking for an actor